Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day. This channel is dedicated to help you lose weight permanently. Today, we're gonna be doing a beginner upper body workout to really tone up the arms. We're going 3 exercises, 3 sets for a total of 10 minutes. Transformers, let's go. All right guys, first exercise, we're gonna start off with knee push-ups. 2, 1, and let's go. We're gonna be going for 45 seconds. Make sure those elbows are tucked in, and as you push up, you're gonna breathe out. Good, this is a great exercise for targeting the tricep, for targeting the chest, and strengthening the upper body, and toning up the arms. Keep it going, guys. Make sure the core is engaged, your bum is tucked in. Good, hands are slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Good, keep it going, guys. We're halfway there, 20 seconds left. Nice work, and as you push up, breathe out. Breathe out, keep it going. Doing great, final 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, our next exercise, we're gonna be doing dumbbell rows. Let's go ahead and grab a dumbbell. We're gonna start in about 7 seconds. You're gonna drive the elbow up and then you're gonna breathe out. 3, 2, 1, and let's start. Good, make sure your head is back, your core is nice and engaged. Yeah, we're gonna go 45 seconds on the right arm and then 45 seconds on the left arm. Good, you don't wanna be rushing through this movement. You wanna go strong on the way up and then control slow on the way down. Don't just let gravity pull the way down. You want to control the way down the whole time. Okay, keep it going. Okay, we're going to strengthen the biceps. We're going to strengthen the upper back. Okay, 15 seconds left, and then we're going to switch sides. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, guys. We're gonna go ahead and switch sides. We're gonna do the left arm here in 10 seconds. Let's get in a ready position. Bum is tucked in, shoulders are down. We're gonna grab the weight and we're gonna pull. 2, 1, and let's go. You got 45 seconds. Good, and as you pull, remember, breathe out. Control the movement, no rush. Nice work, guys. And then you want to pull your fist towards your rib cage. Not your armpit, your rib cage. Drive those elbows up like you're gonna elbow someone behind you and continue to breathe. We're halfway there, you got 20 seconds. Nice work, guys. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, nice work, guys. All right, take a little bit of a break. Coming up, you got 30 seconds, and then after this, we're gonna start our second set. Good, take a 30-second breather. If you need to grab some water, you can. It's really, really important whenever you're doing these exercises that you wanna give your muscles a chance to recover so that in the next set, you have full strength again to power through that set and to really build strength in the arms, tone up the arms, and then burn off some of that arm fat near the back. All right, we're gonna get started here in 5 seconds. We got push-ups coming up again. 2, 1, and let's start. We got 45 seconds. Yeah, core tight, and then press straight up. Good, remember to breathe. Good, go down and then all the way up, all the way down. Keep those shoulders down and back the whole time. And push. Push, keep it going. Nice work, guys. Less than 20 seconds, 15 seconds. Good, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, nice work, guys. 15 seconds to go into our next exercise. We're gonna be doing our dumbbell rows with the right arm and then followed by the left arm. Let's grab your weight. We're gonna get started here. 3, 2, 1, and dumbbell rows, 45 seconds. Again, don't rush through this exercise. You want it slow and under control. Strong on the way up, slow on the way down. 1 second on the way up and then 2 seconds on the way down. Pull, 1, 2, pull, 1, 2. Keep it going. Nice work. Drive those elbows up like you're gonna elbow someone behind you. You guys are doing great. Nice work. 15 seconds. The last 10 seconds, pretend like you're pulling 50 pounds. And let's go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, nice work. And we're gonna go into our left arm. Let's get in a ready position. We're gonna start here in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Dumbbell rows. Good. You wanna make sure you strengthen both arms evenly. You guys don't want uneven arms. So nice and strong with the left arm. Good, keep it going. Every time you pull up, you're gonna breathe. Pull, breathe. Strong on the way up, control on the way down. Good. Stay strong through the shoulders. Pull up, fist towards your rib cage, and drive those elbows up. Good job, guys. All right, nice and strong. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. All right. Get a little break coming up. Shake out those arms. Get a little tricep stretch here. And shake out the arms. Do a little tricep stretch. We have a little break coming up. Good. Rest the arms a little bit, and then after this, we're gonna do our last and final set. Okay, shake through the arms. If you need to grab some water, now's a great time. When you're doing the push-ups, you wanna make sure that those elbows are tucked in. What you don't wanna do is you don't want those elbows flaring up. You don't want those shoulders popping up. You want those shoulders down, elbows tucked in, and now you're in a really strong push-up position. All right, we're gonna get started, guys. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to your push-ups. We got 45 seconds. This is gonna be our last set for this video. Good, nice and strong. Big push, slow on the way down, and big push. Good, squeeze. Remember, tuck those elbows in. Keep those shoulders down the whole time. Nice work, core is tight. Push and breathe out. Good work. All right, feel those arms burning. 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds, I want you to push even harder. And let's go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Give me one more. All right, nice work. We're gonna move on to our dumbbell rows. This time, let's start with our left arm and then we'll finish with our right arm. Let's grab your weights again. Ready position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start our dumbbell rows. 45 seconds with the left arm, and we'll switch 45 seconds with the right arm. Good, big pull. Make every single second count. Make every single rep count. Good, nice work. 30 seconds. Give me some big pulls. You guys are doing great. 20 seconds, halfway. Okay, continue to drive those elbows up. Breathe out at the top. 10 seconds, finish strong with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, nice work. Shake out the arms. We got our last side, right side. For most of you, your strong side, so we're gonna finish nice and strong. Let's get ready. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and let's go. Drive those elbows up, big pull. Good, pull the fist towards your rib cage. Drive those elbows up, continue to breathe. We're gonna power through this last and final set, last and final side. Good work. 30 seconds left, guys. "15 seconds. Less than 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, give me one more. All right, and that's time. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca, and sign up for your free personal training trial with me. I'll see you in the next workout.